Hey everybody, this is Tanya Atomic, and I am here today with Max, who really wants some attention right now. And we are unboxing Horrorpack. Horrorpack is a monthly subscription box of 4 DVDs and 4 Blu-rays. I get the Blu-ray box. It's about $25 a month, and I think it's good. You get one limited edition typically. At least I have been for quite a while now, getting one limited edition and then 3 other ones, and it's a variety. It comes in this little bubble wrap bag, and let's see what we got. Ooh, one is a Shudder exclusive Prevenge. That's our first one. I've actually seen this. This is a fun one. I like this one. So Killing for Two is what it's called, or what the tagline is. The next one is The Dark and the Wicked, which I haven't heard of. So I am going to, try this out, and that'll be fun. And then we've got, Max just jumped away. We've got Horrorpack Limited Edition Blu-ray this month is Bad Dreams. And this is the front. This is the back. It says here, it's a collection of films curated from the Nightmares Film Festival, and there's a unique mix of subjects, so that's cool. So it's a whole selection of short films, so that's fun. And then, oh, the Puppet Master, The Littlest Reich. So I do have like 1 or 2 other Puppet Master films, and I've been kind of interested in watching them. And so this is one of them, and Barbara Crampton's in this one. If you don't know, the Puppet Master films are these puppets or these dolls, toy puppets that come to life, and sometimes they're good, most of the time they're bad, and they kill people. Yeah. And they're fun. They started in the, early full moon days and have continued as a series up till now. They're still making them. So I think this is one of the newer ones. So we've got Puppet Master, The Littlest Reich. We've got Prevenge. We've got The Dark and the Wicked and Bad Dreams. So I'm happy with all of these. Yeah, they did come a little bit late this month, so that's why the video is coming out late. But that's okay. I have them now. So what do you guys think of these films? What do you think of Horrorpack? Do you get Horrorpack? Do you want Horrorpack? Do you have something to say about any one of these films? Let me know in the comments below. Please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.